We're in the mid to upper 70s along the coast this morning, low to mid 70s inland. It's a very steamy little start to the day, and all you got to do is open the door and you'll know what I'm talking about, as these dew points have fully returned back into the low to mid 70s. And if anything, they're only going to go up from here, because in a couple of days we're going to shift the wind back to the onshore wind pattern. You know, the one that brought all the rain to the East Coast maybe a week and a half ago, and then it just made it so steamy along the West Coast. That's coming back for the weekend. So I'm hoping before we get into that pattern, areas along the West Coast can pick up some rain. And I think the best chance for that will be tomorrow and again on Thursday before we shift the weather pattern. Notice the cloud cover, though, hanging around in the Gulf throughout the day today. That'll filter the sunshine up a little bit for us today, but no matter, we'll still get back into the lower 90s. But in terms of rain chances today, we're still going to be struggling a little bit with these rain chances. Tomorrow, though, look at the difference as the rain chances start to pick up a little more. And you're going to notice right in the middle of the state, or just east of I-75, sea breeze collision. But then it collapses the west coast sea breeze and allows these storms to build back to the coast tomorrow evening. And then we'll do the same exact thing again on Thursday, before shifting that weather pattern on Friday. Here's where the earthquake was, 6.1 magnitude. It's actually a pretty strong earthquake, 6 miles deep. And I know what you think, wow, that's pretty deep. It's not in terms of an earthquake, though. It is kind of a shallow quake, which allowed, you know, the field to be going all the way up into the Panhandle, up to Jacksonville and areas like that. But the Caribbean plate is south of Cuba. So this was an old plate or an old boundary that just kind of collapsed yesterday, resulting in that earthquake. But again, you know, no damage reported, just a few shaken folks here and there. So 92 degrees, your high today. Variable clouds with 1 or 2 very isolated showers and storms. I don't think there'll be a lot today. Warm and muggy tonight with a low of 77. There'll be much more rain coverage tomorrow as we bring it up to 50% with tomorrow's high around 91 degrees. Okay, boaters looking okay. Seas running 1 to 2 feet today with the water temperature 84. Oh yeah, mid 80s for water temperature. Perfect. We got lower 90s for the next 7 days, but notice the rain chances are a little bit higher Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to the tune of 50%.